Explore on foot, discovering the world step by step. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase, explore on foot. This phrase is not just about walking, but it's about how we experience and discover new places. Let's unpack its meaning and usage, making your English learning journey more exciting and informative. The phrase, explore on foot, literally means to investigate or travel through an area using one's feet, rather than using a vehicle. It's often associated with adventure, personal experience, and a slower pace of travel. It suggests a more intimate and detailed way of getting to know a place, as opposed to just passing through it quickly. Now, let's look at some examples to understand how this phrase is used in different contexts. 1. Tourism. We decided to explore the old town on foot to really feel its history and charm. 2. Adventure. Exploring the jungle on foot is challenging but rewarding. 3. Daily life. I like to explore my neighborhood on foot to find hidden gems. Exploring on foot is not just about travel. It's a lifestyle choice with many benefits. Physical health. Walking is great exercise. Mental health. It's a chance to slow down and de-stress. Environmental impact. Walking has a minimal carbon footprint, making it eco-friendly. Cultural immersion. Walking allows for deeper cultural engagement and understanding. Here are some tips to make your on-foot explorations more enjoyable. Wear comfortable shoes. Your feet will thank you. Stay hydrated. Always carry water. Be aware of your surroundings. Safety first. Take breaks. Enjoy the journey, not just the destination. Exploring on foot opens up a world of discoveries and experiences that can't be matched by any other form of travel. It's a wonderful way to connect with places and people on a deeper level. I hope this video helps you appreciate and use this phrase in your English conversations. Happy exploring and learning!